Warren, Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is a habitational name from the village of La Varrenne in Normandy, France, named with a Gaulish element probably descriptive of alluvial land or sandy soil, which gave the name to William de Warenne, who fought at the Battle of Hastings in 1066, and whose descendants later assumed the surname Warren. It can also be an English surname of Norman origin, derived from the Middle English or Old French personal name Warin, from the ancient Germanic Warino, a shortened form of various compound names based on the element Warin, meaning protection, shelter, or guard. Early bearers included Reginald de Warenne in Scotland in 1231, William de Warenne in Norfolk in 1273, and John de Warenne in England in 1274, and William de Warenne in Essex in 1285. Knighthoods included Sir Edward de Warenne, Lord of the Manor of Skeyton, who was alive in the year 1349, Sir Edward de Warenne, Sir John de Warenne, knighted in 1317, Sir Lawrence de Warenne, who died in 1444, another John Warren, Sir Ralph Warren, Lord Mayor of London, knighted in 1538, Sir Edward Warren in 1544, Sir John Warren of Poynton, who we see here, he died in 1587, Sir Henry Warren in 1595, Sir Edward Warren, knighted in 1599, Sir William Warren, knighted in the same year. Another Sir William Warren of Wapping was a shipbuilder, and he was knighted in 1661. There was Sir Peter Warren, Rear Admiral of the Navy, knighted in 1747. Sir George Warren, knighted in 1761. Sir Samuel Warren, captain in the Royal Navy in 1835. And Sir Charles Warren, a Major General, knighted in 1865. Noble titles held included William de Warenne, a Norman nobleman. Fought at the Battle of Hastings. He was created the Earl of Surrey by King William II. The Warren baronetcy of Little Marlow in the county of Buckingham was created in the baronetage of Great Britain in 1775 for the naval commander and politician Sir John Borles Warren. The Warren baronetcy of Warren's Court in the county of Cork was created in the baronetage of Ireland in 1784 for Sir Robert Warren, who was High Sheriff of said county in 1752. And here we see Warren's Court, the family estate. Castles held included Lewes Castle in West Sussex, England, Reigate Castle in Surrey, England, Castle Acre in County Norfolk, England. Landed gentry included Warren of Lodge Park in County Kilkenny, Ireland, Warren of Ballydonnery and in Kilkenny, both in Ireland, Warren of Rathfarnham Park in Dublin, Ireland. Notables included Emily Warren, who died in 1781, a celebrated courtesan in the 18th century world of London. Samuel Warren, born 1807, a British barrister, novelist, and member of Parliament. Joseph Warren, a founding father of the United States who was also a physician and was very important in the Patriot movement in Boston. Major General James Warren, born 1726, an American merchant, politician, and military officer who served as Speaker of the House of Representatives in Massachusetts. Earl Warren was an American attorney, politician, and jurist who served as the 14th Chief Justice of the United States from 1953 to 1969. Early settlers included Richard Warren in Massachusetts in 1620, Abigail Elizabeth and Joseph Warren, who came to Massachusetts in 1623, John Warren, Massachusetts in 1630, Henry Warren, Virginia 1635, and John Warren came to Maryland in 1638. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.